Jacob. A Virginia state trooper is facing a felony charge for leaving threatening notes on a neighbor's door. When the ones responsible for keeping communities safe are accused of committing a crime, lawyers say their cases are further complicated. Avery Davis spoke with a legal expert and breaks down how Pingley's case is being handled.
What happens when the people in charge of enforcing the law are accused of breaking it? Legal analyst Steve Benjamin tells me what should happen and what actually happened don't always align.
When an officer is accused of committing a crime, it is something that must be taken very, very seriously. Nobody is above the law.
On Wednesday, Albemarle County-based Virginia State Trooper Pingley was arrested for making written threats against his neighbor.
The challenge with prosecuting a law enforcement officer is that people trust and rely on the police to keep us safe.
Pingley's case is not a complete anomaly. According to Virginia State Police's website, the agency received 214 complaints about trooper conduct in 2024. 38 of those resulted in
I would expect that there would have begun immediately an internal affairs investigation, which might explain the delay between the occurrence, the identification of the trooper, and now the charge being brought.
State police say Pingley was put on administrative leave in November. The same month, the alleged incident happened.
Oftentimes, a law enforcement agency will not want to be charged with investigating one of their own, if only because of the perception that they may be biased or may act favorably towards the officer.
In this instance, Virginia State Police handled the investigation.
That's not to say that an agency cannot investigate their own, and I don't see anything unusual or ominous about that.
Virginia State Police declined to go on camera but sent a statement to 29 News. And a spokesperson says it is department policy to conduct timely, thorough, and impartial investigations. Often that statement says internal investigations follow the criminal one. Employees may be removed from the workplace if the alleged crime relates to the job. In Albemarle County, Avery Davis, 29 News.